Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by preparing both ends. Put your AirPods Pro into pairing mode. Press and hold the case button until the light flashes white, because the Vita cannot pair directly. Next, make sure the Ps Vita is updated and Bluetooth is turned off. This prevents conflicts. Grab a low-latency Bluetooth audio transmitter that supports AAC or aptX low latency, and choose the proper connector for your Vita Model 3. 5mm dongle or USB OTG. Once done, plug the transmitter into the Vita's headphone jack or USB OTG port and power it on. Put the transmitter into pairing mode. Many have a flashing LED or a small button. Follow its quick instructions. Now, with your AirPods Pro case open and in pairing mode, the transmitter should find the AirPods and pair automatically. Make sure to wait through the full pairing sequence. You'll often see a steady light confirming connection. If audio plays on the Vita, you're nearly finished. Finish by testing audio in a game or menu. Set Vita volume and transmitter volume to mid-level, then fine-tune. If you hear no sound, make sure the transmitter is still powered and paired. Reset the AirPods Pro by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until amber then white, then reinitiate pairing on the transmitter. Also, note why latency can occur. Use an aptX low-latency transmitter to reduce delay. And remember, the Vita won't route microphone input through AirPods. Use a wired mic if required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.